What's up, guys? We back with another one. We got a Silverado single cab here from Albuquerque. This is actually the third truck the homie Marcelino brings to me for a sunroof. We're gonna do a well-down sunroof with the black suede. This truck has been worked on by someone already previously, so we're gonna rip out the old headliner, rip that out, and then we're gonna go ahead and put a well-done sunroof off of an Impala. Let's check out the truck. Here she is. It's a nice truck. I like them wheels. Here's the inside. Someone tried to do some type of suede. It ain't suede, but yeah, we're gonna rip all that shit out. We're gonna clear match the visors, paint the plastics so nothing like this, everything is mismatched. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that. We'll get everything painted, blend it in to the new suede, and then get these painted and go from there. So he wants this done as soon as he can. So he is taking it down to Mexico to get it repainted the right way. I guess someone down here in Albuquerque painted it, but they didn't do a good job. You can see a bunch of discoloration in the paint where it wasn't properly coated right, and a lot of chipping everywhere. You can see, it's hard to tell, but you can see a lot of light spots. This truck was originally white, but you can tell they didn't even put a primer down. Don't look like it because it goes straight to, look at that, it goes straight to white. So bunch of marks. But yeah, we're gonna take care of the homie Marcelino, get him up and right before he takes it down to Mexico and gets it repainted. So all right, you know, the usual. Get the headliner gutted out, get the center line on top, get everything out, and start with the cutting. Alright guys, we got the headliner taken out. I did see a bunch of issues with it. Rear clips weren't bolted on, side oh shit handle wasn't bolted on, and I think whoever tried to wrap this thing, they put double-sided stick tape because they cut it too short. So they try to fold it onto this, but that wasn't working because you can tell where it was hanging on all these. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip all this shit out, and then get him done right. All right guys, I got the bracket installed, body worked. You can see it there. We're gonna install the sunroof now, get the drain hoses on, power the sunroof up, and then we'll start with the headliner. Alright guys, the headliner is done. Like always, I always cut this out on the inside. I'm gonna get ready to install it onto the truck. Alright guys, install's done. Came out badass. The usual black suede, blacked out sun visors, plastics, handle, everything blacked out on top. Looks badass. Let's check it out.